In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build email template in Klaviyo. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Klaviyo account and you are on the main dashboard. Along the left side navigation, find Content. Click Content, then select Templates. This is the area where Klaviyo stores the templates you create and the ones you can reuse later for campaigns and flows. On the Templates page, click Create Template. This starts the template builder and gives you a couple of options for how you want to begin. You can choose Use Template Library if you want a professionally designed starting point, or you can choose Start from Scratch if you want full control and a clean canvas. The library is helpful when you want speed and a polished layout, while starting from scratch is best when you already have a clear design in mind. Next, choose a base layout or a pre-made design. A base layout is the structure of your email, like how many columns it has and where content sections will go. Pick something that matches the type of email you are building, such as a simple announcement layout or a more visual, product-focused design. Starting with the right layout makes the rest of the build faster and keeps the email easy to read. Once you are in the editor, you will build your email by dragging blocks from the sidebar into the template. Common blocks include text, image, and button. Drag a text block when you need headings or body copy, drag an image block for banners or product photos, and use a button block for clear calls to action. Place each block where you want it to appear, and use spacing and alignment to keep the design clean and scannable. After you add blocks, click any block to edit its content or adjust colors. When you click a text block, you can update the wording and refine formatting. When you click images or buttons, you can update the visuals and choose colors that match your brand. Aim for consistent fonts and a limited color palette so the email feels cohesive. When you are finished, go to the top right and click Save and Exit. This saves your progress and returns you to the template workflow. Finally, click Create Template to finalize it, so it is ready to use in your emails. That covers everything you need to know.